I'm with Coach Low. Chinatown, no?
Yes, sir.
So this is our third church. Santa Cruz Church. Yeah. Ito nga. Sabi ko nga sa kanya na magsapatos siya eh. Naka-crocs, saka shorts ka pa.
It's hot.
Nagaya mo lahat na iba yung kanila. Yung sa akin naman, gusto kong i-represent natin si God na maayos tol na pag nakita ka niya, that's my son. Diba? Go dog. So going na kami sa Fort Church namin. Fort Church. Anyway, I don't know where's our fourth church.
Cathedral. Manila Cathedral.
The first plan was supposed to be San Sebastian, but then the road was closed.
Roadblock.
So kaya kami napunta sa Santa Cruz. Hindi naman talaga yun yung route namin eh. Pero God has
Plans.
He works in mysterious ways, bro. Kaya napadpad kami dito sa Cathedral. That's right there, bro. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, mag-shoes ka, mag-pants para komportable ka.
My bad, dog.
Come on, man. Daming tao talaga.
Yes, sir. Let me ask you, Coach. Why is there plenty of people right now?
It's Holy Week, bro.
Alright.
It's the third to the last day of Lent. Lent is 40 days. Ano ba yung biblical talaga yung 40? Jesus fasted for 40 days.
Ooh.
The Israelites traveled for 40 years. Right? Madaming 40 sa Bible talaga. Anyway, dito na kami sa Manila Cathedral, bro.
See those people?
Yeah.
It's the faith.
Wala naman to sa plan namin. It just happened na hindi kami nakapasok sa Baste. Kaya napunta kami dito. After neto, punta namin sa San Agustin.
Yes, sir.
Repping my shirt before, bro.
Yes, sir. Young Simba.
Food trip ata yung pinunta natin dito eh.
Hindi simbahan.
Sabi ko, simba eh. Madami pa tayong kinain kaysa dinasal. Ito, nagdadala talaga neto is yung asin nila. Ay, yung asin nila mamink-mink, ibig sabihin nun, solid. Ayan o. Bago kami makarating dito sa San Agustin. Ang dami na namin kinain nito. Kung saan na kami kumain. Ito, R6 sa Nuestra Señor de Nuestra Señor de Guia. Shrine to siya. Alam mo ba anong kaibahan ng shrine sa cathedral?
Ano yung kaibahan?
Alam mo bakit cathedral tawag sa kanya?
Bakit, Coach?
Ha?
Bakit, Coach?
It's called cathedral because of the cathedra. Alam mo yung cathedra?
Is a person?
No. Yun yung chair na nakalagay sa tapat sa gilid ng tabernacle. Doon umuupo yung bishop if ever man mag-visit yung bishop sa church and naglag ng mass. Now you know.